If you like the idea of saving water, then you will love the Marley Twist and Tank-It. The Tank-It Urban Tank, partnered with the Twist downpipe diverter, offer a simple rain harvesting solution that captures free rainwater from your roof. It is easy to install and I'm going to show you how. Let's start with the Twist. Firstly, let's take a look at what's in the box. We've got the Twist components, a couple of brackets, and this all-important template. You'll need to supply the screws to suit your home's cladding. Make sure you install it within easy reach with the Twist higher than the Tank-It. We recommend that you install your brackets 200 millimeters above and below your Twist to make sure that it is nice and stable. In this case, the downpipe has already been clipped, so we're good to go. So I'm going to measure 200 mil from my clip and make a mark. Take the template and place it evenly on the downpipe. Take a sharp fine-tooth saw and cut along the dotted lines. Make sure that your debris filter is in the top section of your Twist and then slide it up the downpipe. Then your bottom section, put it in place, slide it together. Simple as, no glue required. Your Tank-It comes with instructions, a spade bit to drill your inlet hole, a tap, a bung in the back and a vented lid. Tank-It has a choice of 2 hose inlet positions on each side and an upper or lower tap position. Your choice of these positions determines how much water you can access from the tank. The brass tap comes installed in the higher position and the bung is on the other side screwed into the lower position. If you wish to raise the tank off the ground and put the tap in a lower position, simply switch out the tap with the bung. For safety, install your Tank-It on a flat, solid base, never on a slope or soft ground that may subside when the tank is full. Choose your preferred hose inlet position and with the spade bit provided, drill the hole for your hose. Now to connect your Twist to your Tank-It, simply place the hose in the inlet and then click in the hose. To fill your Tank-It with rainwater, simply turn the Twist to the on position and the rainwater will be diverted to your tank. Once your tank is full, simply turn it off. Don't forget to maintain your Twist, which really is a breeze. Simply remove the Twist, take out the debris filter and get rid of any leaves. And then all you need to do is pop it back in. Connect the hose and you're good to go. Now you can wash the car, top up the pool, clean your dog, water your garden, and have water for emergencies, and it won't cost you a cent. The Twist is available in a choice of colours to match the Marley Stratus design series. Twist and Tank-It from Marley. Urban rain harvesting made easy.